best composite decking brands, if I'm asked the question, we typically stick with one horse. We use TimberTech decking. They have a complete line, top to bottom, left to right, of anything from a more economical board all the way up through the very intricate composite with hand scraped look, all the way up through a full line of PVC. And same with the railing options. There's every railing option you could want, whether it's metal or you go up to a composite railing. They have the full suite. So if we stick with one, then we know how to handle that product, we know how to install it. There's no differentiation from one install to the next. They have all the different colors and options for our customers, and that's why we stick with them. But that's not to be said, if a customer is stuck on wanting to use a specific brand because they like it for some reason, we can get it. We'll just have to install a different product. There may be subtle changes to it. We have a relationship with TimberTech to where ordering it, getting special order stuff is easier. If there's an issue on the site, we have a rep that comes takes a look. We use a different type of decking that we don't stick with. They'll still have a rep, but if you have a specific type of decking, we can install it. But I would say good, better, best. You can argue that all day long between the different manufacturers out there. We ride with TimberTech. That's what we currently do. I'd say they're as good as anyone in the industry. Price point wise, they have the full suite. It doesn't matter whether you're a Trex guy or whether you're a TimberTech guy, they compete in all markets. So they have an economical board. They're economical. They do different things to get their price point down. Same with Trex. They have economical boards as well, but then they have higher end lines too. They have the price point that you need to be at. And we can obviously quote that out by difference of board, good, better, best, or low, most economical, mid-range, and high-end range, and what the differences are. And I know that they're in the same ballpark as other manufacturers as far as price. I'd say with TimberTech, they're a big company. They have been there, done that. I've been to their manufacturing facility. I know how it's exactly made. Our guys have been through installation courses on the best way to install it. That's why we stick with the same one.